Hi viewers, welcome to another tutorial. We will start by creating a background. Now select simple art brush and draw wave-like patterns. Using blend tool, blend the lines, and from blend option change the specified steps. From appearance menu, change the weight of strokes. I usually keep it in between 0.25 to 0.5. Edit the path until you achieve a wave-like pattern. Now change the color of strokes using gradient tool. I'm using simple RGB colors. For convenience, I am adding gradient to one wave at a time, as this makes the editing easy. At the end, view the background layer in and rearrange until you achieve desired results. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel.